Well, we have another Jupiter home for sale. This townhome on 108 Half Moon Circle is now for sale. This open concept townhome is great with a recently updated kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and some nice wood floors. So come on inside and let's take a look. You know you wanna buy it, buy it. I don't know why I sing, because I can't sing, but I wish I could sing. That is, damn it, my watch. Hey, you guys should meet Adam and Shelby. You guys already know Adam and Shelby, but Adam and Shelby are standing behind me. You should, oh, he doesn't want to say hi to you guys. And there's cars, and we're just gonna keep recording because I'm not gonna walk back and forth. Do I look skinny in this? Because I have Spanx on under it.